Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Sri Ramadhani. NIM 1192072174. My major in Law C. Okay, here I will explain a little about law enforcement in Indonesia. In viewing or arguing about law enforcement, we see the image that the law contracts. The law in Indonesia today are often draw criticism than praise. Various criticism directed about relate to law enforcement. Awareness of the law, the quality of the law, absurdity of the law, relating to the process of law and also with implementation of the rules. The critics so often met with regret to the rule of law in Indonesia. Most of our societies saying that the law in Indonesia can be parhas, who has his name and power, which has a lot of money, should be saved from harm the law even though the country be broken. So, the law in Indonesia are often described a bambu, runcing ke bawah, tumpul ke atas. For the example, in case Nenek Mina, who took the round of cocoa in Purbalingga, which eventually directly give the punishment as severe. In contrast to a case carried out by official in chance of corruption to billions of dollars, or artists of the capital city who use drug only be sanctioned lightly. That's what makes the community see that the law can be parsed and law enforcement officials are not to expect to do law enforcement in a through and fire. So far, the law won't just run as a routine mare but also being played like a Mercedes. The law should be a renewal of the community, has turned it into a kind of a killing machine because they were driven by the law. The conditions are so bad that would be a very major effect of health and strength of the democrat Indonesia. Mental damage. The law enforcement threat in the law is synonym with wounding. Take out justice or be unfair, of course, a reckless act against the will of the people. In certain circumstances, when justice continues to be avoided, is not impossible defense and security of the nation at stake. Injustice will trigger any kind of action naturally in the form of resistance or defense that can be realized in various acts. Narcissism or violence is counterproductive to the development of the nation. Okay, that's all I can say about law enforcement in Indonesia. If something is not right, I apologize. I would like to express my gratitude. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.